House Y27 by Estudio Estudio in Ciudad de México, Mexico. Located in the historic Hipódromo Condesa neighborhood, this house has withstood the test of time since the 1930s. Despite years of neglect, Estudio Estudio undertook the task of redesigning its interior, revitalizing its original charm, and improving its functionality. The main objective was to unveil the hidden architectural treasures beneath layers of past modifications, meticulously restoring them to their original state to reveal the essence of the era. The architectural interventions aimed to preserve the authentic character of the house, rejuvenating the ornamental elements while avoiding unnecessary adornments. Now, the interiors combine the inherent style of the house with contemporary elements, mainly using wood and stucco, minimalist details, and practical solutions that embrace the present seamlessly. The ground floor encompasses a carefully designed program that seamlessly integrates the needs of daily life. A cozy garage, an elegant lobby with a half bathroom, and a central living space form the core of the house. Inspired by an original kitchen door, the expanded arch motif creates a harmonious flow throughout the ground floor. The transitions are balanced, captivating residents and guests. Skillful modifications to the rear facade and strategic skylights infuse the interior with natural light and a play of light and shadows. In collaboration with lighting expert Luca Salas, custom lighting design balances ambience, functionality, and aesthetics. Practicality is combined with aesthetics in the adjacent laundry and service areas. Concrete tiles evoke the original era in the kitchen, while wooden parquet is used in most spaces to provide a luxurious yet standard feeling. The second level offers comfort with 3 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. The artistically designed closets feature traditional bedding on simple wooden frames. A family room complements the tranquil areas of the residence, with a flight of stairs connecting to the rooftop terrace, unifying the rear facade into a single surface that reveals glimpses of the interior. A meticulously crafted wooden structure on the 3rd level houses a generous 70 square meters studio with a bathroom. The studio space opens onto a cozy rooftop terrace with open views and a peaceful onsen. The terrace is covered with a canopy of an American sweet potato tree, while the modular terracotta floor supports the foliage. The rooftop terrace serves as a gathering space but also functions as a rainwater collector, which travels throughout the house to a water tank and a filtering system under the backyard. The building employs other simple, sustainable techniques, such as cross-ventilation and harnessing natural light through skylights and proportionally large openings in the walls. This architectural piece is a testament to the studio's dedication to preserving history while creating spaces that adapt to modern lifestyles. With a perfect blend of timeless elegance and contemporary innovation, this house proudly stands as a harmonious blend of past and present, inviting residents to embark on a captivating journey of refined and simple ways of living.